Hi friends, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, it is maybe kind of like a soup. I'm not quite sure how to call this dish, but it's ground beef in turmeric and coconut milk. Check out the full video and I'll see you so they can buy it. Around 500 grams of ground beef. Add in 1 tablespoon of ground onion, 1 heaping teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 heaping teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 heaping teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, in 1 can of mixed bean and 1 can of corn. Now put in 1 can of coconut milk and 1 bag of chopped spinach. And not forgetting 2 Indonesian bay leaf, which is daun salam. And season this with chicken bouillon powder, and you want to add 1 can of water using the coconut milk can. And bring this to boil, adjust the flavoring. I also gonna give ground black pepper. You can use white pepper, it's up to you. The camera doesn't do justice to the color. I mean, with my eyes it's nicely turmeric color here, but not as bright on the camera.